gonna go down the slide?
Hi, Killian. Say hi, Mommy. What's Daddy doing? He's cleaning the slide? Yeah. Can you say hi to the movie? Killian? Can you say hi? I can't see you. I guess I'll come to you. Hey, buddy. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Do you like the snow?
Yeah, it's cool.
You do?
It's cool. Good job.
Yeah, I want to be in it. Hi.
Hi.
Do you think this is too much snow? No. Did you like shoveling?
Yeah,
Did you do a good job?
Daddy, support.
I got a car.
You are recording.
I don't know how to stop it.
Let me get you. Here, Killian. Come here. Can you come close to the camera so I can see you? Oh, it's in the garage. All right. Killian, can you say bye? No way. Here. Can you say bye to the camera so we can go get your shovel?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Shovel.
Here, Killian's shovel. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.